Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the Ferrari 677, the brand new Formula One car designed for the 2025 season. Stick around as we explore its groundbreaking features and why it's already creating waves among F1 fans. Let's start with some exciting news. The Ferrari 677 has cleared the FIA's rigorous crash tests at the Bowl 8 facility. This milestone ensures the car is ready for assembly and track testing, bringing Ferrari one step closer to pre-season glory. So, what makes the 677 special? First, the cockpit has been shifted slightly backward, paired with a shortened gearbox casing for perfect weight distribution. This innovation promises better tire management during those high-pressure races.
Speaking of tires, Ferrari has teamed up with Pirelli to fine-tune the new compounds for 2025. These tires are designed to minimize overheating and allow drivers to push harder, with less need for conservative strategies. Exciting, right? And here's a blast from the past: the return of the pull rod suspension system at the front. Last seen in the 2015 SF15T, this choice optimizes airflow under the car, boosting downforce and stability. A move inspired by Red Bull and McLaren's recent successes. With these innovations, Ferrari is determined to close the gap with rivals like Red Bull and Mercedes. The 677 represents an integrated approach, combining aerodynamic advancements, structural tweaks, and those all-important Pirelli partnerships.
Mark your calendars. The Ferrari 677 will make its grand debut at the 2025 preseason testing. Will it bring Ferrari back to championship contention? We can't wait to find out. What do you think? Will the 677 take Ferrari back to the top? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest from the F1 world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.